a country where judicial independence has come under scrutiny, Chief Justice Luke Malaba made efforts to revive confidence on his bench as he officially opens the 2024 judicial year in Harare today. In his address titled "The Role of the Judiciary in Entrenching Constitutionalism," Malaba urged judges to apply the law impartially and treat everyone equally while upholding the Constitution.
The core reason for the judiciary's establishment is to be the final port of call regarding the interpretation of both ordinary statutes and the supreme law of the land. An effective judiciary is one that is cognizant of the importance of constitutionalism. It must be able to perceive threats to the expected constitutional standards of behavior imposed on everyone. By interpreting and applying the law without discrimination and in a transparent manner, the courts ensure that the fundamental role of the Constitution as the driver of a just, harmonious, and peaceful society is fulfilled. To effectively uphold the rule of law, processes and decisions of the judiciary in dispensing justice must adhere to the principles of fairness, equality, impartiality, and legality.
In response to Malaba, Harare Mayor Jacob Mafume was critical of the judiciary, which he believes has wrongly kept former legislator Job Sikala in prison for more than 500 days pending trial. Mafume, a CCC elected councillor who is a lawyer, believes Sikala is a political prisoner.
I do believe that when the Chief Justice spoke about the qualitative element of justice, that those are one of the areas that he was referring to see whether that is justifiable, whether that is in keeping with what we aspire as a nation in terms of the constitutional rights of every citizen, that you are not guilty before proven guilty. So we therefore hope that are the issues that they were being referred to by the Chief Justice in terms of the qualitative element that has been lacking somewhere.
Minister of Justice and Legal Affairs Ziambi, who is also a ZANU-PF member, went after Mafume and his party, the CCC, for accusing Justice Malaba and the entire judiciary of being captured. The Justice Minister, who once wrote a strong-worded letter threatening judges, accused the CCC of wanting judges to do their bidding.
Nyaya vasikala ndo nyaya dzanga dzichitaurwa na Chief Justice mu speech yavo emavateereresa kuti kana uchienda kumatare edzimhosva enda uine tarisiro yekuti nyaya iitwe zvine nduramo, usingatarisire kuti zvako zvaunoda zvisirizvo zviri kuenderera nyaya ndizvo zvinosungirwa kunge zvichibuda. Saka avo vari kuti matare haasi kuita, vane zvavaida kuti zvinge zvichiitwa nematare, asi matare ari kuita nyaya senyaya.
ZANU-PF legislator and former Rumba musician who recently turned lawyer, Energy Mutwadi, was also at the official opening. He spoke to the press.
Iyo inyaya iri pamberi pematare, saka zviri pamberi pematare zvitozikanwa kuti vatongi vari kuti kudii nenyaya isisi members of parliament tinoteera mutemo we-separation of powers, kuti tinogadzira mutemo then we-judiciary vochi-interpreta mutemo. Saka nyaya dzavasikala tirikudavira kuti dziri mukati medare uye kuti dzichakwanisa kunge dzichipedzwa nezvimairana nemutemo.
In a democracy, the judiciary remains the last line of defense, ensuring that governments respect the Constitution and the rule of law while protecting citizens' fundamental rights. Where the law fails, many resort to self-help. Reporting for HSTV News, Kelly Mabayere, Concord, Harare.